Hello guys, this is Stin from techudanishi.com, and today I have a video for you which is based on CSS. So this video will help you how we can put content vertically center. So first I want to show you a demo. So this will help you to understand a code. So here are a web page, just right click, inspect it. So I have put my best effort it here to make these things. So you need to concentrate to understand this code. So this is the multi background I have put it here. In the same line I have put also image and also put RGB color. So RGB color you can it's a decrease and increase its opacity, so it's feel good. And you can this is the left side of opacity and this is the right side of opacity. Okay, so this is we were talked about overlay. Okay, and this is background we have talked it here. So now we will see to switch this to a mobile device, and you can see and just increase 75%, and you can change any device. The content is looking perfect. You can change iPad and switch to a landscape mode, so it's still in center. Okay, when you resize anything you can do it here, resize and change the device. You can switch mobile devices, one device to another. It will work same, means this content will always be center. Okay, so Galaxy 5X and it's working still, it's 5 iPhone, and you can switch to a landscape. So this is perfect, it's responsive, and it's work every devices. Okay, so here we have seen our demo. This session has completed. So the time now we need to write a code. Okay, so you don't need to write a code it here. I have a best thing for you, which is you can download this source code from my site, which is krishnarathod.com. okay, just you need to log in and sign up. It's free, but you need to activate your account and you can get my all videos source code it here. Okay, so it's very easy to learn, and okay, it's loading. You can see all my video available it here for download. So this video also will be available it here after uploading uploading YouTube, and after 5 to 10 minutes this code will be available here, so you can download easily. Okay, so now the time is to see code. So this is my project, this is an admin actually, and this is my project which is vertically centered, and this project is inside a XAMPP htdoc. You can create anywhere, but if you use a PHP files you need to server. Okay, but the XAMPP it's work like a server, but it's locally. Inside we have index.php file. You can see this is the simple HTML page as we always see. Okay, so this is the meta tag, it's not important at here. This is the title tag. Okay, we all know about title tag, and this is the link tag to link our style sheets to HTML. So this style.css file is present it here, style.css. I have attached this file, and this file I have opened it here. Okay, so all the things we will see step by step it here. So this is the body, and inside have a one just div, and it's a class is container. If you don't know what is the class and ID and container, and okay, it's not matter to understand. Okay, it's not important to understand this video, just you need to follow my rules. Okay, this is the div and its class is container, and inside have the child div which is class have a vertical center, and inside you can put anything it here, your content will be center. vertically center. You can put it here form, you can put here images, you can put it here videos, everything you can put it here inside this div. Okay, and this is for overlay. So the two ways it here to put a overlay. Okay, one is multi background you can put, and other is to put position, absolute and relative positions of combinations. We can put the overlay color to put 100, width is 100 and height is 100. So all thing we will see it here. Okay, so this is the HTML, simple HTML. Just remember that. Okay, this is the simple HTML which we are showing it here. This is the content, this is the background, and have the vertical, have the overlay color. Okay, so now the time is to see style.css, which is this file. Okay, we will see step by step. This is the comment. This is not important. I have a this is auto generated comment. My netbean generates. Okay, so this is the body. So I'm talking about this body, and body have margin is 0, padding is 0, means to reset our web page, because by default HTML have a body, some padding and some margin. So we have a reset our body. Okay, and then we have a container. So container, this is the class, so we have a put it here a dot. Just zoom in. Dot, it's a position is relative. Okay, position is relative, this is more important. Okay, and its width is 100% and height is 720 pixel, means it's a automatically cover all the screen of your device. Okay, and bottom of that 720 height, you can also put your own content. Okay, remaining content of your web pages. So just remember that. And background size is 100%. Okay, background repeat, just like, okay, background size is 100%. So what is the background size is 100%? Okay, background size is 100% means cover all of your content and all, means it will cover 100 and 720 width and height, means it is 100%, means your image will be completely cover your content, which is content we have 100% and 720. And background repeat, we don't want to repeat our background, so we have a put background repeat is no repeat. And background, just this is the multi background, this is the linear gradient background, here to here. Okay, this is the first background it here, and the second it has an image URL bg.jpg. so bg.jpg in our project is here, you can see this is bg.jpg. okay, so to write means right side, this background represent the right side, means this sides or this sides of overlay. And this is the 00 means black background, and its opacity is 68. And this is right side of background, left side of background, and it's a black, completely black, but its opacity is 75. And this will represent the overlay, and this is our actual background image, which is the URL bg.jpg. okay, and after that we have a scene our container it here, and then vertical center content. So vertical center content, it is important to put position absolute. So I want to tell you very important thing it here. What is the difference between relative and absolute? Okay, so container is our parent, and the vertical center div is our child. Okay, so when you put a parent to a relative and child is absolute, it means child is, it will not go outside of our parent. Okay, means this is, okay, suppose we have a box, and inside have some coins. Okay, and we have a we have a position of box which is relative, and some coins we have a position is absolute, it means your coin will not go outside of that box. Okay, so this is the good idea to understand relative and absolute things. So top is 50%, means this is the content, and here is the top and it's come to a 50%, means it here. Okay, and z index 1, z index 2, why I'm putting 2, you can put anything, means but greater than your other content. Okay, we will discuss it it here. So suppose we have a overlay color, and that's z index is greater than this z index. So z index means you are putting one content after another, one I mean just put one after another. Okay, one by one, but which content, it is important which content has the greater z index. So greater z index will come first. Okay, so this is the z index 2 and this is the overlay color which is z index 1. So first z index 2 means this content vertical center, this content will be first. Okay, and the overlay which z index is 1 means it will back means overlay color will be back side of this content. Okay, so this is the overlay which I have commented because I have put overlay on a same background. Okay, so I have commented, it's not important it here. So z index is 2, left is 50%, left side it is 50%, and transform, this is transform translate means x axis is 50% and y axis is 50%, means it is a center. This line will represent your will put your content center. So this ms, this is for internet explorer, this is a prefix. Okay, and this is for the chrome. Okay, and also we have a for opera, so just you need to in place of webkit just o, so this will represent opera. Okay, okay, opera, and moz, moz, this is for mozilla fire, mozilla, I think I don't know, moz. Okay, moz for firefox. So this prefix will put your content centrally. Okay, and inside vertical center we have a h1 div. So h1 div have a color is white, font weight is bold, font size is 68, and font family is sans serif. Okay, and bottom of that we have a done actually, but here are some media queries. So if you don't know what is the media queries, don't worry about that. So 768, it will represent the small devices. Okay, like mobile phones and tablets. Okay, and this 992 this will represent the medium devices and desktops, and this is 1200, it will represent the large devices and wide screens like projector and movie theater, something like that. So three media queries I have put, but just we are setting the font size because the font size is larger, because 68 is more larger, and when we put this h1, this content to our mobile devices, it's more larger. So to set to smaller, to set the media queries. So okay, when this is we will see on a tablet and devices, its font size is 46. Okay, and when we see medium devices and desktops, okay, means a small laptop, something like, so it's for its font size is 49 pixels. Okay, and larger devices, wide ranges means big screens, its font size is 60 pixel. Okay, so this is we have a done, and next time I will come with new thing. Till then, bye, have a nice day, bye, take care.